This is a 2005 BMW 6 Series, a drive and shape that provides endless luxury. This BMW has a long list of incredible features including dual power seats, power windows, a navigation system, a CD player, parking distance sensors, front multi-stage airbags, and this vehicle has just over 30,000 miles. The quiet 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is unlike anything that you have ever experienced before. This vehicle has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this car for yourself.